an hour. The pressure was 20. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, southern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 9:45 p.m. At 5:31 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 2.5 to 3.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Westchester, Westtown, Kennett Square, Oxford, West Grove, Landenberg, Hockessin, North Star, Ashland, Pike Creek, Kimbrelsville, and Marshallton. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.